Yesterday after 2 o'clock a sell call started. Can you see that red color candle? That is where the sell call begin, and continuous bearish momentum. After the sell call, market was going downside direction and breakout both the target. Today it's 9:15 a.m. market. After 9:15 a.m. today, after market open, in 3 minutes of market open, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will indicate calls like a signal. Buy call, green signal, sell call, red signal. Like this, whenever the trend changes, whenever the market trend changes, you will get the calls like a signal in this chart. Through this call signal, you can do your intraday trading. And the buy call came at buy at 54,528. Can you see that white line from green candle? That white line is the entry line. Above line a target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. And we have uploaded many videos about this signal chart. You can go through our previous videos also for more clarifications. And if you want to know the plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan details also. And today this buy call, like within 10 minutes of the buy call generated, it successfully break out the first target range and continuous bullish momentum. Market gone to the second target also. Like this call came and performed really well. If you want this chart, if you want a call generating tool, if you want this automatic calls, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan detail, so you will get the idea about it. And if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it also. For more videos, if you want to know the like the videos, means you can just subscribe and like the videos. For more details, send message in WhatsApp. Thank you.